It's a calm and cool day, perfect to go fishing. Queen Frostine is out in the Sherbert Harbor today, looking to catch some Swedish fish. She gets to the right spot and casts her line. And then she watches, waits, and relaxes. While she waits for a Swedish fish to bite, though, she keeps a close eye out for gummy sharks, in case any of them want to try and attack her raft. All in all, it's looking like a perfectly peaceful and colorful day out in the ice cream sea. While Queen Frostine was fishing, she saw something strange happening. She didn't see any sharks, but she did see storm clouds blow in. First, it started raining gumdrops and lemon drops. And then, it started snowing candy bars and milkshakes. The weather was starting to get crazy, and then Queen Frostine decided, okay, time to go. That was when a twister blew in, and it started heading straight for her. There was no way she could outrow it, so she grabbed her Queen Frostine wand in case of any emergency. Unfortunately, the wind blew it right out of her hand. Well, that's not good, Queen Frostine said. Then suddenly the twisters grabbed her and started spinning her like crazy. This looks like a pretty bittersweet ending. A few minutes later, Queen Frostine found herself washed ashore on an ice cream island that happened to be in the eye of the storm. Now that things were calm, she could take a load off and have the sandwich that she packed during her trip. But then she thought about how she was going to get back to the beach, stuck on the ice cream cake island without her wand or her boat. Oh man, said Queen Frostine. If only I had magical powers without my wand, then I could say abracadabra and... Whoa, did I just do that? Abracadabra. Whoa, I did do that! I really do have magical powers without my wand. Yeah! She jumped up, but when she landed, the ice cream cake island shook, and then a volcano erupted, spraying hot fudge all over the place. Oh no, I better get out of here, said Queen Frostine, then she ran off, not realizing she was running on the ice cream. Queen Frostine made it back to the Sherbert Harbor, only to realize that she ran back. Her surprise that she got back to the harbor on foot, standing on top of the ice cream waves, surprised her to the fullest extent. But the only thing that surprised her more was how crazy the storm was getting. It was raining, snowing, and twisting like crazy, and it was threatening to storm Candyland. But then she said, "You don't scare me, Storm. I'm Queen Frostine. I'm the ruler of this sea. This is my terrain. Abracadabra!" Then suddenly, her wand came back to her. "Oh, didn't see that coming," she said. And then she said, "Abracadabra!" She waved her wand and cast a magic spell, sending a blizzard that was so powerful it swept all the clouds away and all the twisters once and for all. The sea is finally calm, and the queen finally made it back to her beach. And apparently, what's left of the blizzard got splattered all over the shore as well. It was a colorful culinary confection at that, so Queen Frostine grabbed a spoon and gave it a try. Delicious, she said. So this is what a blizzard tastes like. We should have it more often, but not too often, of course, she said. But when a blizzard does come, Queen Frostine knows that she'll be ready, now that she's a fully realized Queen Frostine. The end.